My name is Steve Hartley. I'm from the University of York in the United Kingdom, and I am the consultant on the Cockspur Island Centennial Project. And today we've got a group from the American Institute of Architects Savannah Chapter out here learning about masonry restoration.
Well, I want them to keep going for like another 30 minutes.
And they are learning how to remove failing cement, Portland and lime cements, and repoint them with period appropriate natural cements. And what we're doing in this project is we're using the lighthouse to train Park Service employees on the correct procedures to repair masonry structures in a marine environment. We have actually had several workshops about masonry repair, about wood repair, and we're going to have a few more on masonry, and then finally one on exterior finishes. We're going to come out here and remove some of this pool paint that's been put on the building and do mock-up panels on traditional finishes, let them sit for 2 months, and watch and see which ones will actually hold. When we determine which one is correct, we're actually going to coat the exterior building for as high up as we can actually safely reach.